Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Day Everyday channel. You are here, so I suppose you are hooked on design and 3D printing like me. So in today's video I want to show you how to create a gearbox animation like this. So first of all I will design a simple gearbox and then I will bring it to life. Okay, let's get designing.
Okay guys, so here is our Fusion 360 workspace. First of all we have to go to utilities and check if we have the GF gear generator installed. If the feature is not there, you have to go to Autodesk App Store and download it for free. Of course I will put the link under the video. Okay guys, so now I will create gear wheels. It's very important to remember these parameters because we will use them to calculate the distance between gear wheels. So I will start with the gear wheel with 40 teeth. Okay, done. Now I will create exactly the same gear wheel. Okay, and next to gear wheels, one 20 teeth and one 10 teeth. Okay, so as you can see we have 4 components on the left side. One is grounded, so we will unground it because it's not necessary. Okay, it's time to move all gear wheels to the correct position. For that we have to calculate the correct distance between gear wheels. You can find a simple calculator for that on the internet. I will put the link under the video. So guys, we have to type here all data from the GF gear generator. So number of teeth gear 1, number of teeth gear 2, module, pressure angle, and here we have the calculation. It's 28 millimeters. So 28 millimeters is the dimension between centers of these two 40 teeth gear wheels. So we have to do the same calculation for the dimension between the 40 teeth gear and the 20 teeth gear and the 20 teeth gear and the 10 teeth gear. So as you can see, next dimensions are 21 millimeters and 10.5 millimeters. As we can see, the second gear wheel teeth are in wrong position, so we have to rotate the gear wheel. Okay, done. Now all gear wheels are in the correct position. Now I will create an axis for each gear wheel. Okay, it's time to create joints. So go to assemble, next as bolt joint, mark the wheel, next mark the axis, and next mark the center of the wheel. We have to repeat this operation for all gear wheels. As you can see, you can rotate each gear wheel, but there is no any connection between them, so now we will create the connection. Go to the Assemble tab and choose the Motion link. We will start with 40 teeth gear wheels. As you can see, the rotation direction is wrong, so we have to mark the reverse option. Okay, it's time to create the motion link between next two wheels. As you can see, we have a problem here. It is caused by different rotation speeds. The first wheel has 40 teeth, the second one has 20 teeth, so it means that we have to double the rotation speed for the small wheel, and to do that we have to increase the angle, so we have to set the angle to 720. Okay, so now we have to do the same operation for the last gear wheel. Remember to double the rotation speed for the last wheel because it has only 10 teeth. Okay, now you can click on one of joints and choose the option Animate Join Relationship, and after that the animation will run. Okay guys, let me know what do you think about my tutorial. It's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.